I had gone to the shop there and then I had come to pick some stuff over here. Okay. पळयता म्हणल्यार भितर घुसता म्हणल्यार आवाज आयलो जालो. आमी मागीर सगळीं भायर आयली आवाज आयला म्हणटरी. पळयला जाल्यार कुडको पडल्या. पयले म्हळ्यार अशेंच दिसलें. पयले तर कोण साधू सुद्दां म्हणपा लागलो आप इधर से गए तभी म्हणपा लागलो ऊपर से गिरा म्हण घेवन. पयला बिल्डिंगाच्या सिलिंगाचो कुडको आसता तो म्हाज्या गाडयेक मातसो चुकला म्हणजे हेजेर पडला तो आय थिंक. थंयच हांव आसत जाल्यार म्हाजेच गेल्ले आतां जीव. It's very dangerous now to keep such vehicle, this thing, buildings over here. When it has become old, then you people demolish otherwise. If it have fallen on my this thing head, then I would have gone. No, it is life risk जाऊ ना.
केन्नाची घटना ही आता?
आता हे पळय just I think just 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes only. And it is shocking actually.
मग तू तेन्ना जस्ट पास जाल्ले?
Oh या बा अरे आयला आनी हांव तर दुकानार गेला रे. आतां घेवपाक स्टॉक घेवपाक गेल्ले. किदो म्हळ्यार वो जाला आवाज हांगा आवाज तो काय कितें म्हण समजूकच ना म्हाका. वाय कीप लायक यू नो इट इज डेंजरस फॉर द सोसायटी मॅन. हांव चुकलें बाकी लोक चुकपाचे. म्हाजो टायमींग बरो आसा म्हणून हांव चुकलें एक्चुअली.
हांव शकता आमी म्युनिसिपालिटी 2017 जीएसटीचो रिपोर्ट दिल्लो कपिलान ओनरान. जितना मेरे को नॉलेज है कपिल ने उसको जीसी का रिपोर्ट भी आया है कि building is not into proper state of condition, it is into dilapidated condition. It is a problem to the people, pedestrian and the people staying in the building or they are not staying in the building. They are doing business over here. See, it's a commercial complex, it's not a residential complex. So there are people on the first floor also and there are people on the ground floor also. So there is a GC report, there is an eviction notice of the municipality which has been given to them and the municipality is not acted on it. And other thing is that Kapil has already given a letter to the municipality that if anything happens to the building tomorrow, कल कुछ भी building को हुआ तो he will not be responsible.